Hello guys, welcome to Eric Munda Capital, and this is the market updates video which we do every Sunday, at 9 p.m. So let's get straight to it. Let's start by Friday. I'm using investing.com. I'm looking at the economic calendar. Specifically, I'm looking at the CFTC, where we see how the volume of the trades that were placed for the current week. CFTC. So this is the Great Britain pound. We can see that there was a reduction of the buy orders. So they don't expect the buy to be strong, but still they expect there to be a bullish momentum to be present. Aluminium, there's a reduction of buy orders. Copper, the same. Corn, an increase actually in buy orders. Crude, an increase in buy orders. Gold, there is also an increase in buy orders. Nasdaq 100, an increase, a reduction in natural gas. We have sell orders here, which have increased for the S&P 500. Okay. Wheat, card, Australian dollar, I see it here, which it was actually, the sell orders have reduced from negative 6.5 to negative 0.9. So that's also good. That means there will be a slight weakening of the sell momentum, but let's wait and see. The euro, seems like the euro has reduced its buy orders, but it's still maintaining its buy momentum. So those were for Friday the 8th, so that we see how the volume is doing, or rather how guys have positioned themselves the previous week. So let's look at the fundamentals. Just peruse through, see what's happening. Pelosi actually wants to seek an impeachment to Trump before even he ends his tenure. So some of those things are moving the markets right now. So we are basically just looking. You should go into details for something like this. I've already read this, so you should go in details and read more about how the fundamentals will be for the next week and the other week. Remember also to take into account, regardless of the vaccine, to take into account the corona cases still surging in the US if you trade the US dollar. Okay. So let's look at this week's economic calendar. The dollar has retail sales. This is pretty volatile. Be careful about this. It's very, 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 very volatile. Very volatile. So this is on Monday. Let's look at the whole week. I've seen on Thursday that we have some good news, some volatile news, that is. Short-term energy outlook for the US dollar. Wednesday we have the core CPI. It's also volatile. What else we have? We have the GDP for the euro, the German GDP. On Thursday, and then again on Thursday we have ECB monetary policy statement, and also the Federal Reserve Chairman Powell will speak at 8:30 East African time. Okay, so we are done with, I see also GDP here, manufacturing production also here. Okay. So let's let's look at where we left off with the other video last week, which was the market updates for the week starting on that. This is a market update for the week starting on 10th January 2021. So this is where we left it off. We left it here, so it made again up to here. So still every move here is still valid, so you're going to wait for them. Oh sorry, this was the monthly. It actually went down. Let's look at the weekly. Oh sorry about that. Yeah, let's look at the daily. So it's pretty much following this type of structure, but we will I will update you on as the days go by. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. It's pretty squeezed up, but it's good to look at it with a longer time frame. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, we expect it to maintain probably this pattern for the long term. Yeah, it's definitely trying to make this move, but let's wait and see. The coming weeks will actually tell us which move it will make, this or this. We'll have to be patient and see which move it will make. This is the Great Britain pound versus the US dollar, and I'm using tradingview.com. Yeah, so it's good to be patient and see where it will take us. But so far so good. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, let's see how next week it will end. If it's bearish, then definitely we have some good bearish momentum for the coming few weeks. Yeah, because it might be a slight reversal or a beginning of a new trend, which is the bearish trend. So we shall wait and see. Yeah, we shall wait and see. Let's look at the Euro USD. So this is the Euro USD. Of course, I'm using tradingview.com. Yeah, remember we gave it this range. Yeah, on last week's video we gave it this range for it to break for this range, either to the upside or to the downside. We expect this range at least to be hit. Yeah, this is the monthly. Let's drop down to the weekly. Yeah, it's struggling to maintain this range, so it might signal a reversal. Yeah, I will be shocked if it's a reversal. Let's see by adding our stochastic here whether we can spot some divergence. Let us see. Unfortunate. Let us see. So it's pretty weak. I don't think I'll take it on a weekly level, but on let me delete this one and also this one. Start over on the daily level. Let's see what will happen here. So on a daily level, there is some huge element of a bearish divergence, which will trigger sales. Yeah, so we need to wait. It may be fall even up to 120 here. Yeah, so let's just wait on it. Yeah, let's just wait on it, on this, to see, to confirm on this bearish divergence of the Euro USD. But I'll continue giving you updates every Sunday at 9 p.m. on how we are tracking the said instruments, the said currency. Yeah, so I see a similar pin forming also this week, a good bullish move followed by a bearish move on probably at the end of the week. So that's what I expect also for the Euro USD for this coming week. Yeah, so watch out for that too. Yeah, I'll update you on the daily time frame. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has actually surged for we're going to look at Bitcoin, we're going to look at Ethereum for a while. Let's use this one. Let's remove, yeah. So if you haven't watched our market update for the 3rd of January, please go do and watch it. This is a continuation, and we talked about how we would place our orders here in the event of a retest. Yeah, I can see an order block forming right over here. This is the daily. There's a good order block forming right over here. So Bitcoin is actually at $40,801. Yeah, that's the price, the live price of Bitcoin. You can see it move. Yeah, so let's see how this goes, and then we'll see whether it will continue to go up. But if it breaks around 41,500, 41,800, or rather 42, I suggest it will be another good uptrend. But if it breaks down below 39,000, then we are going to have a good sell. But basically, let us wait for this order block to form, this on the daily time frame to form and finish, and then you know the true direction of Bitcoin. But majorly, I would say since January has reached, I will actually suggest a short, but let us wait and see where its peak will be, then we'll short it from there. This will be our first take profit if we short it, with this being our second take profit, yeah, or our buying region. Yeah, so let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum was actually, it's another performing cryptocurrency. I see Ethereum versus the Euro. Okay, I'm looking at, I want Ethereum versus USD. No, not a Tether, USD, Ethereum, USD, yeah, something like this. So this is the daily time frame. You can see it was a surge actually from 2nd January. It was actually, I tracked it from actually 20th December right over here when it was $655. Yeah, but from 2nd January there was a surge from $710 to actually $1,013 to $2. Actually, that's almost 100%, almost 100%. Yeah. So this surge is also good, very good surge. Something to watch for is also Ethereum in the long run. Let's say 4 to 7 years. Something to watch is Ethereum too. So guys, let me call it an end. Remember to follow us on Facebook at Eric Mwenda Capital, at Instagram at Eric Mwenda Capital, and also at Twitter at Mwenda Capital. And also you can leave us a comment on this video. Whatever you have not understood, whatever you would like us to cover, please leave us a comment. Yeah, whatever you would like us to emphasize, please leave us a comment down below. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.